Hello everyone. So let's discuss the given problem here. The problem states let A be the sum of the first 20 terms and B the sum of first 40 terms of the given series. Series is given as this. Now, what we need to find is the value of lambda if B minus 2A is equal to 100 lambda. Correct? So the solution would be simple. First we find the sum of first 20 terms, first 40 terms for B, and subtract that and divide by 100 as per the given procedure. Now how do we find the sum? That's the main part, right? So let's discuss first for B. It is given here. uh, if we separate the values, that is, take the odd terms on one side and the even terms on the other, in the other bracket, it would divide our b value into this, right? 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, these are the odd terms, and from the even terms we see we have a 2 multiplied explicitly in these terms, right? So we'll take 2 common, giving us 2 square plus 4 square up to 40 square. So now if you see, we can we write it as instead of 2, can we write it as this same thing, same here, right? It would correct. So it would be 1 1, would be 1 1 and 1, coefficient will be 1, right? So if we add these two brackets, these two, so what would they give us is right here a complete sequence from 1 to 40 square of each term, right? But we would be left with 2 square, 2 square, 4 square, and up to 40 square. Now we are done with this part. We leave it as it is. What we consider is taking 4. What is common in this? If you see, very observe carefully, then you'll know that 4 is common in these terms, right? So we'll take 4 common. Then we'll have another series in which we have the term from 1 to 20 and square of each terms, right? Similarly, when you solve for A, you'll get these two brackets, 1 to 20 and 1 to 10 into 4 coefficient. Now we know that the sum of first n terms, first n square terms is equal to n into n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6, right? So when when we apply this and put in this equation, we get the value of b minus 2a as 24800. Now we know 24800 is equal to 100 lambda. So dividing by 100 we give the value of lambda, that is 248. So correct answer is D.